Hi friends, let me show you these new mini caster wheels that I bought. And you can use them to put them on your kitchen accessories, and they will be easier to move. They have these double-sided circles that you put like this. Then you decide which accessory you want to install. Let's do it in my coffee maker, because I have to take it out and in a lot of times, and sometimes it's not practical. You want to take a look where the contact points are, and we are going to put them. Okay. I'm going to plug it again, and now you can move it around easier, just with a one-hand operation, okay? Just like that. Okay. When you need to take it out for the water, okay? And you can put it back easy, okay? I'm going to use one more. Perfect. Now you can move around your coffee maker easy, getting it out when you need to put more water, and that's it. You can use them for your accessories, for all of the kitchen accessories, or in your tool room, in your office, wherever you have any kind of thing or accessory that you want to move around and they don't have casters. These mini casters will do the job. Thank you.